get started. Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today we're going to be looking at a set number 70500 from LEGO Ninjago, and it was released in 2013. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So this set comes with two minifigures, and the first one is this red ninja over here. He's called Kai. I'll flash that name up if you don't know how to spell it. And he's Ninja of Fire, so he's got a rather red accent color all over his black gi over here, which is similar to all the other ones in this series. He has a red double mask that just slips off easily with a golden crown. Have a look at his face, which is pretty scarred. No wonder it looks so grumpy. He's got a few scars on there as well. But anyway, having a look at the torso, we have some red bands and other golden accents there as well. We have some little signs on those lapels as well as some red sleeves and some black gloves. Looking over here at the base, we have a red belt on the torso, some more gold and red details. And looking around the back, we have a sort of fiery golden lion symbol at the back, accented in red and gold as well. Now our second minifigure is a slightly smaller minifigure, and he is a little stone warrior archer. Yes, I think that's what you should call it. So it's a stone warrior with a red, sort of red straw hat on the top of his head, done in red like that. And in his hand he has this crossbow over here, done in some sort of dark grey. So anyway, let's have a look at his face, which has some light lime green markings over the black head over here, with some light green eyes and a red and white mouth over there. The front of his torso has a green and black symbol over there, and we have some chains and chest plate over there printed too. We have some black arms and some black hands, and we also have these little black legs as well. Now moving on to the back, we have a little pouch to hold some arrows. We can just slip that off to have a look at the back of his torso, which just has some grey and red details. So the main part of this set is this fire mech robot thing that we have over here. Oh, hang on a second, just move the camera out so you can have a better look at this 16cm high model, done in a lot of red and gold. Just as a note at the beginning, there are some stickers and details missing over here, so bear that in mind. So starting at the top of this mech over here, we have these two little antennae stuck at the top on these handles. These have some golden katanas at the top, which can be reused as swords as well, just to give you a nice little antenna look on the top of a mech, sort of an insect sort of style. Moving on to the top of this section over here, we have some stickers, some flaming stickers to give us the impression that this mech has some nice fiery detail. One of them is missing on this slope piece over here, but never mind. Moving down the base of this mech, we have a little seating area over here to put Kai. We also have these handlebars that can just move out like this and can be positioned in different places. And to seat Kai, we just need to grab him and stick the rear end of his legs, the rear part of his legs, into here, and then he can just hold on to those handholds over there. Now for the arms of this mech, it is done on ball joints, on some large ball joints with some grey and black there. We have these, hold on a sec, these black sort of ball joint limb pieces, which are used along the legs as well. And on top of them we have these red armor pieces as well, along with these golden dagger sort of pieces, which can be reused for combat as well. Just stick that over there, just to give you a little spiky design. And over here on the left arm, we have a hand construction over here. So this is holding this at the moment, which we'll put aside and have a closer look at later. However, this hand is made out of 4 fingers, well actually 3 fingers, and another finger placed sideways to be a thumb, and it can grab something for us, like this little guy over here. We can take a grab of him, well, And this tile over here used to have a flaming lion logo as well, and also this used to have a sticker as well, but they are missing at the moment. Now over to the right hand over here, well, instead of a hand we have a flamethrower attached onto this arm, sort of replicating a thumb over here as well, with this little one off to the side, as made using some bright orange pieces, and just to give you a little bit more searing flaming effect to this mech. So now it's time for the fact of the day. So, Johnny, what do we have here? Okay, so the fact of the day is a crossbow, also known as a ballista, works easier than a normal bow because the wielder of a crossbow only needs to lock the bowstring back instead of physically holding it. Now, moving on to how this mech is standing, it's got some rather chubby legs, rather the same size as the arms as well, which gives it a sort of cartoonish look. It's using the same limbs as up here on the arms. However, the feet are made with quite a lot of bricks over here to keep it very nice and stable. We've got these little golden slopes as well at the front to give it some toes, and we also have these grill elements to give it a nice sort of mechanical feel, and as well we have these inverted roof tiles to make sure that it balances itself even if it leans forward and if it leans back. Overall, there is a good posability to this mech. Of course, you can move the arms and you can move the legs into various positions. The back of this is pretty simple as well. We have a tile here which used to have a sticker detail there as well, but overall has some nice design to it. Now we have one more thing to cover in this set, and that is this elemental blade over here. So it's done like the other elemental blades in this series of sets. They have this sort of transparent sort of elemental blade design over here. Now normally this can be used in a minifigure's hand just like this. However, it does come with this little golden and red adapter for this blade here, so it can be held into the hand of the mech over here. So let's just bring the mech back, and hopefully if the pieces don't break, we can just grip onto this little red piece over here. So now we can have some attacking sort of poses against this little guy with a crossbow. What? But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!